Isa to sa highly recommended seafood restaurant dito sa may Bacolod, Silay area. Kaya nga naman hindi namin pinalampas at dinayo pa namin itong Milk and Seafood Restaurant dito sa may Silay City. Naku mga kamarites, feel namin ang moment dahil sa native design itong restaurant na to. They're well known for their fresh and affordable seafoods. And when I say affordable, talagang abot kaya dito. Napakaganda rin ang ambiance at vibe ng place. Yung mga tipong ang sarap magkamay habang kumakain. So ito na nilapag na ni Kuya yung orders. So nag-order kami ng sinigang na tanige. Asim kilig yung sabaw, very plump yung tanige, and fresh yung mga vegetables. Perfect na perfect to kasama ng kanin kaya bibigyan natin to ng 4 na subo. Yung next na order namin is yung camaron rebasado. It's deep fried to perfection, it's seasoned well, and manamis-namis pa dahil fresh, so 4 na subo. Nako, itong sizzling mixed seafood ang pinaka-paborito namin sa lahat ng in-order namin. Sobrang fresh ng lahat ng seafoods na ginamit dito. Napakasarap din ng pagkakatimpla with oyster sauce and other seasonings, kaya perfect score 5 subo. At bilang carnivore, hindi namin pinalampas ang inihaw na liempo. The char flavor and sweetness is there, so 4 na subo. Overall, lahat ng in-order namin dito is really fresh, alam mong maganda yung pagkaka-prepare, and masarap din. And feel na feel mo nga talagang moment dahil habang kumakain ka, mararamdaman mo yung sea breeze, very native and local yung vibe ng place, kaya the experience is very authentic. Kaya mga kamarites, I highly recommend Milk and Seafood Restaurant here in Silay City. Napaka-fresh talaga ng mga seafoods nila, maganda rin yung service, and most of all, super affordable ng lahat ng dishes na in-offer nila. At dahil din bibigyan natin ng Milk and Seafood Restaurant ng 4 na subo. Perfect sana to kung may aircon area sila. So follow us more food and travel adventures dito sa Bacolod. Di lang, bye!